So today we are what are the concept we are learn today? It's like form and pagination and collapse accordion style. And next thing is that what is that? Yeah, these are many. These things are we are study. And okay. So at first start with form. How can you designing the form? Then we started one by one. Okay. So I will create a file in that. It's public form dot html. Okay. What happened? The file folder already exists. Okay. I will create in the form one.html. Okay. Then I will copy the all this file, the bootstrap file. I will paste in that form one.html. Okay. And you can like use any CDN link also. Don't worry about that. Okay. So at that it's form. Okay. So at first you designing a body as container fluid. Wait. I will do. I hope you see all this coding. If you not like, please let me know chat box so I will zoom out. Okay. So class container fluid. Okay. Wait. Container fluid. So next thing is that we are designing form. So we require input. We are like heading of that in form input. Form input. Okay. Next we are designing a div. In the div I have written the class of the bootstrap classes is that input group. Input wait input group. Okay. Input group LG is there, large, small, and text is there. But I need input group. Okay. So inside the input group, I have create a like input box. Okay. So how can you do that? Let's see. So at first I will designing a selector, like I will like Mr., Mrs. and like other we are designing that one. Okay. So at first I do one thing is div. In that I have to given the class name, class of that bootstrap is input group prepend. Okay. What is prepend? I will show you. Okay. Don't worry about that. Okay. So select. Okay. In the select, I need some like designation like doctor or Mrs. or Mrs. whatever I need. So in that selection, I need a classes. What is the class name? It's like input group text. I need. Okay. Input group text. Okay. Done. So next thing is I will do. It's like option. I require option. Is that doctor? Okay. Then I copy that one and paste mode 2 times or mode 3 times. Okay. I need Mr. 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 or Mrs. Mrs. Okay. Mrs. or MS you can written. Okay. I've written MS. And next one is other. Okay. Sarath is message me. Why? What happened? Sarath. Yeah, Sarath. Your skin is not visible. Guys, you can see my screen. Please let me know in the chat box. I need to zoom or yeah, visible. Sarath, screen not visible. Sir, only Meet screen is visible. Visual Studio is not visible before. Okay, okay. Now it's visible or not? Let me know in the chat box. Quick. Sarath, please reply. Visual Studio is not visible before. You have started the tab only. Okay, okay, wait. I will. Okay. Sorry for that. Maybe I will share only. I hope you listen me. Okay, I will say entire screen, but it's not visible. But I will say again. Okay, don't worry. Now it's visible. All like tab, all these things. It's visible or not? Please let me in the chat box. Other, please respond. Okay, great. Okay, so I will teach you at a fast. What are the we are discussing. At first, you have to create a like HTML document. Then you have to like link the file, whatever bootstrap file is there, like node module bootstrap this css bootstrap css and bundle bootstrap bundle dot js. And before that, you have to mention the file is jQuery.js. Okay, in that we are designing a form by using css sorry, by using bootstrap. So at first, this body is required like container fluid. It will be like responsive designing. We are creating a responsive designing. That's why we are like class name is container fluid. Okay, in that my heading is inform input. Okay, in the below of the form input, I will like create a div. In that div, I will give the class name of input group. It is like the form input. Okay, and second thing is that if you like create a prepend input group prepared means if you want to like before the form you want to you want to anything add in that. So at the time we are using like input form a prepend. If you want to after that input box you want to add something, so you need to like input group prepend and yes, prepend or one thing is what is that, it's prepend. Wait, I will check that one. Prepend, yeah, prepend append. Okay, it's append. Append means after that text after the input box, and prepend means before the uh, input box. I will show you that one. Okay, I hope you understand these many things. Okay, next we are designing like selector select box in that option. Okay, so in that selector we need bootstrap classes is input group text. Okay, and next I will designing a prepend like input box. Okay, in the div I will create form control. Okay, I will create in that input box input. Okay, text, and my classes of the text is form control. When you're designing any input box you need to form control. Okay, I will show you form control. Okay, form check is there, form check inline, form check input are there, all these things are there, but I need form control. Okay, so next thing is I require a like prepend, sorry, append. Okay, append, let's see how you define the append. It's like class. In that we have input group append append. Okay, append. So in that I have designing a like search box. This hash p in that search search. Okay, I will open that in that live server. Let's see what happens. Have you observed that one? Like it's get before that and sort mix the after that. But I need more CSS on that. Wait, I will designing that by using the input group. I will do that one. Okay. So I need input group in that input group prepend. Okay, I will designing. It's like classes it's form control. If I give that one, let's see what happens. Form control. Okay, so let, have you observed that one? It's like you need to like mention that what is that, it's width sorry, height of the input box. You need to manage that one by using like a css. Okay, so it is the prepend, and it sort of the append. Okay, if you require any button also, you can do that also by using like button, one button. In that, if I search, and class name is, wait, class name btn primary or btn secondary, whatever you need. Okay, have you observed that one? It's fine. Now this is the selector box. You have to choose the option and enter your name. Johan, like example is Johan Tiwari. Tiwari. Okay, Johan Tiwari. Then you have to solve that one. It's the input box. Okay, have you observed that? It's a prepend. It's a append. Append means after that like input box, and prepend means before that input box. Okay, guys, I hope you observed that one. Any doubt regarding that, you can ask me. Next we have to designing another one. Let's see. Okay, so I need like email, all these things. You designing according that also, like if I designing in that, I require another div. Okay, in that I have to class that input group, input group group group. Okay, done. And in that we need like what is that, input and type email, and I need like form control. Okay, is class, you have to use form control. Okay, next any issue, I will check that one. No issue. Okay, so I need like a append box after the input box. So I will create a div. In that I have used input group append. Okay, class input group append, append. Okay, sorry, it's spelling mistake. It's append. Okay, append. Next what is things, input group append. Okay, so I need like, I want to mention it's at the gmail.com. Okay, gmail.com. It's like a button. I can mention that one button, button button, and in that I have to mention gmail.com at the last. So I need a class. It's like a what is this, like button btn light. What you need the color, like primary, secondary, whatever you need. I've designed that in that light color. You need like warning like yellow. You can do that also, warning. Let's see, it's fine or not. Yeah, spelling mistake, I think. Wait, I will check that one. WAR warning. Okay, fine. Have you observed that one? And if you need any like before that email, you have to mention that you want to mention by using level. We can do that also, like email. Okay, and in the classes also we have input group level. I will show you that input. It's input to form control level, form check level, or form in check input. All is there. Okay, form level I require. Okay? Have you observed that one? It's fine. Okay, so by according to your like requirement, you have to designing all these things. File also you can designing by type easy file, and like checkbox is like what is that, checkbox. Okay, you can designing according to your convenience. I hope you understand the how you have to designing like form in by using Bootstrap. So other things are there also, other things is not like more than that. You have to designing an input for file purpose or for a password purpose. You have to mention like type like password, and you need to input like a button or what is it's radio box and checkbox. What you need, you have to like mention in that type is radio, and checkbox you have to mention that one, nothing more than that. Okay, I hope you understand form. Any doubt you can ask me, guys, please. Quick, I will give you one uh, minute. Please ask any doubt in regarding form, because in that professional life and our live project, we are designing all this form, and we need require if you use any Bootstrap, so it is difficult in that situation. So if you like any doubt, you can ask me. So next we are discussing what is that, it's accordion style we are discussing. Please, before that, any doubt you can ask me. No doubt, guys. Okay, so next we are moving to forward to the accordion, and its collapse, how its collapse required. Okay, accordion, ACCORDION, accordion.html. Okay, so I need that file. For that I written accordion. Okay, and I need the file of that link. You have to link that file. Wait, link, and in the dot class, it's node module and bootstrap dix css bootstrap.css bootstrap.css. Okay, next I require js file, a jquery file, sorry, it's script.src dot class, it's js, sorry, it's not js, it's like slash node module. In that we have jquery dix jquery.js. Okay, guys, next we require a js file at script src dot slash node module. In that we have bootstrap and js this, and that we have bootstrap bundle.js. Bootstrap, what is the wrong it happening? Wait, I will check that one. Src is that bootstrap? No. Oh, path is this js bootstrap download. Yeah, it's fine. Bootstrap this, yeah, required this. Wait, this js, in that we have bootstrap bundle js. Okay, right. So accordion, we have to designing the accordion. So what are the requirement classes we are using in that bootstrap for accordion style? Let's see. Div, in that I have to designing accordion. We need like classes accordion, accordion. Okay, accordion. Okay, so I need to a id. For that I will give the id of that, it's like echo. Okay, echo is my id. And next I require in that div, inside the div I need another div. Okay, so inside the div I require accordion item. In the accordion item I have to designing accordion header, accordion body, whatever I need. Okay, so let's see, it's how it's happen. So I need class in that accordion. Wait, accordion. What is that item I require? Okay. So in that item, I need like header. Okay. Inside the div, I need another div where I designing class header, accordion header. Wait, it's accordion. Spelling mistake is accordion header. Okay. Accordion header done. Next we have to designing the accordion header. How it's designed, let's see. Before that I need to I want to change something. It's like hash 2 I will give in that one. I need like defining in the header part. It's like heading part. Okay, I need h1. Okay, I will give that h1. It's better, h1. Okay, so in that I need a button, utt1 button. Okay, in the button I have to designing accordion button class. In that we have accordion, wait, accordion body, and button is there also there. Okay, button. So in the button I need when I click the button it will be collapse. Collapse means when you click the button it will be collapse, means it will be like show my like content, whatever content I will written in the body section it will be shown. Okay, so that's why we are using in the Boosta as data bs toggle and data bs target. Data bs toggle, toggle double g toggle. So what need to be like toggle for that? I need collapse. When I click the button, it will be collapse. Collapse. Okay, COLLAPSE. Okay, collapse. And data target, data BS target. Okay, BS target. I will not given anything because I will create a body at first, then I will give you that one. Okay. So I need like it's my first accordion. Wait, it's first collapse. Okay, so I will open that one in the live server. Let's see what happened in that. Next we have to designing body session. Have you also that one? It's like accordion. So I did, when I click that button it will be show my content. After that when I again click the button it will be what is that, it will be happen to hidden that all these things. Okay, so let's see how it's happen. So we are designing accordion item. In that we are need a accordion like body. It's div, button is done, and we have to designing accordion body. Okay, okay, let's see. It's div. In that we need a classes. Wait, yeah, class. Okay, in the classes I have to defining accordion collapse. Means when I click that button it will collapse that phone. Okay, and accordion collapse. Okay, done. And I need to show when I like refresh the button. At first I want to show that all is content. Next when I click that like button of that accordion, mm, after that I will like hidden that all this content. I need that one. Okay, so let's see that one. So I need body inside that accordion collapse. Okay, so is that class. In that we need accordion. Wait, it's accordion body. Okay, done. So inside the accordion body I need a id. Means whenever I like click that one, data bs target will be target that particular body. Okay, so id is like it's collapse. Okay, colps, it's my id. Okay, I will copy that one and I will paste inside that button. Means when I click that button, when they click the button, it will be target the collapse button of body session. Okay, so at first you have to using the hearts and use the id, whole id. Okay, so JavaScript will be already like according to that we have to given that id, then JavaScript automatically goes to the content whatever you have to write inside this. Okay, so let's see. Whenever I return any content inside that, I will copy some content from the notepad. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, I'll press inside that. Let's see what happens. Have you observed that one? When I click that button, it will be so. Why it's when I press the button of that web browser, it will show me. Why? I have written the show. When I remove that one, it not show me. Let's see. It's now. When I click that button, it will be show me. But it's not showing. Why? What happened? Let's see. Yeah. If I return so, it's show me. Okay. Yeah. It's done. Okay. So next we are designing another one. Let's see. Another like accordion style. We need like whole accordion item. We have copy that one and paste it down again. But I don't need that one to show in that format. Okay, so let's see. I need a collapse. Wait 2 minutes. Yeah. So in that second thing, you have to need collapse. Collapse. collapsed. Okay, collapse. I need like different ID. Okay, it's like collapse. Col Colp one. I have to return that one in body in the ID. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Done. When I click that button, it will show me, and when I click that button, it will show me. According to your convenience, you have to designing like whatever color you want, like warning and um dark and primary, secondary, whatever you need, you have to design according to that. Okay. It's like BG danger. Let's see. It's not working. We need to be define that button. I think so. Copy that one and paste it down in that button. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, it's working fine. Okay, guys. I hope you understand what is like collapse and accordion style. It is the collapse and accordion style. In the web browser, you want like in that web browser, like you don't need to like any of the customer. You have to scroll much content. So at that time, you have to use these things. Means when like we have to return whatever information you are providing, you have to return in that collapse like heading part. And if a customer require these things, then he or she will be click that button. And so all these things, whatever you have to return, whatever like images you have to give in that, you have the customer will be so all these things. Okay, guys, I hope you understand accordion style and collapse. So next we have to go to the like pagination. What is pagination? How we are designing that? Wait 2 minutes. I'll let you know. Oh, I will go back. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, guys. So, but see what is the pagination? How we are designing that one. I hope you listen my voice. Let in the chat box. Okay. Okay, great. So we need to be create a one other file. It's require like pagination. Okay. So like pagination. Okay. So I will create a file in that public folder. Okay. Pagination. Nation.html. Okay. Then I have to done. I have to get some multiple like what is that? It's paragraph. Then I will paste some content. After that, I will show you. Okay. Wait. I copy all this file. Whatever we need to link in the Bootstrap or Bootstrap outputs, and we have to paste on that. Return that title of that web page. It's pagination. Pagination. Then and we have to copy the content whatever we are written in that format, copy and paste it down in that paragraph. Okay. Yeah. I need I will copy again all the content. I will paste 2 times or 3 times. Then you understand how it's look. Okay. And so I need that color of the text is different. It's class in that it text primary. Okay. Then and I need to be change something in that. Okay, class it's text and secondary. Okay, and I need like class with like text. Yeah, inside that you have to written. Okay, text. Danger and decorative info. Okay, I will give the info. So next one I need class in that text warning. W N I N G. Okay, warning. Done. Open that live server. Let's see what happens. It's fine. Okay, it show me in a different color. Okay, guys. So we are designing in the below like pagination. What is pagination? I will show you at first. If I search any content like Pegasus, what is that? Pegasus. Yeah, Pegasus. If I search that button in the Google, always you have to go down. Go down, go. Have you do that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? All these things are there. And in that Google Chrome, we have previous button, we have next button is there. So we are designing this pagination. How we are designing this one? We have to see by using pagination. Okay, guys, let's see. So we are creating a div inside, but before that we require name. Okay, let's see. I require nav as navigation. Inside that I have to create. So we are creating UL. Inside I need a classes. It's class. What is the class name we have to give in? That pagination. Wait. Pagination. Large, small, whatever you need, you have to written in that class name. Okay. And in that we are designing li list item. In the list item, what is the name of the list item? This is class item. Sorry, page item. It's not class item, it's page item. In the class, we have written name of the class is page item. Page item. Okay. And inside that, I have written a link. Whatever link you have to provide, like another page or whatever. When I click that button, or 1 or 2 or 3 or next, I will go to navigation to the other page or navigation to the other like website, whatever you need. Okay, we have to define that by using anchor tag. You know that you are like know what is anchor tag, how we are using that one. By using href we are using I for reference. Okay, by using, so I will define the hots, and in that I have written inside that one. Okay, and next I will copy all this content. Okay, and I will paste again. Okay, but I need a classes inside that. This class is like page link. We have to link the page inside that. This page link. Okay, I copy all the content from that and I paste inside all these like classes of list item. Okay, I need one. Yeah, done. Okay, let's page link. In that we are required that one also. In you are required that. Okay, done. And we need to be what is what's wrong with me? Wait, I will check that one. Yeah, paste link. In that, yeah. Need, I think what happened? It's class name. Yeah, I need not class name. I will remove the class name, and that one also. Yeah, but yeah. Before that, I need a double quotation. So after that, I will use class. Wait, I will paste again it. Okay, done. So before I need a like next previous or next. So by using that you can design. Okay, next or previous. Let's see what happened. Animation. Have you observed that one is one is there, but you will need to be change that color. All these things. Okay. So I need one other is class require. It's class link. We have to copy that one and paste it down. And it's like two. Yeah, it's when one and previous we have to return prev previous, and next is that next. Okay, and one, two, and three. That's done. One, two, and if you want, you can create the other one is like four, five. Okay, it's a four. I have to create. Let's see. Have you also that one? It's previous and all this item is there. So when I click that button, it will go to the link. Whatever you have to like which link you have to given in that HREF, it will be good. Okay. When I copy like Pegasus link of that, wait, I will copy some link from that. It's Pegasus. If I click that one and I will copy from Bing. Okay, I will copy all this that. Okay, when I click that given in that one and written in that. Okay, when I click that one button, it will be goes to that particular link. Have you observed that one? It goes to the like Pegasus of the economic guide, economic time, India Times.com. Okay, so I hope you understand these things, and you need like any of the color and whatever like text color, and according to your designing, you have to designing that. You need round side like button. You can do that by using border radius. Okay, I hope you understand these many things. Any doubt in the presentation, you can ask me on that. Next, we have to discuss navbar. How can you doing navbar by using Bootstrap? It's a responsive. Okay, how can you design that? Let's see. Before that end out, guys, please let in the chat box. Okay. So we are designing the next navbar. Is the last option, last like concept of that. Okay. So let's see. Navbar. We have to design navbar. Navbar dot html. Okay, done. And is that it's navbar. Navbar. Okay. Next, we have to copy these things. All this bootstrap link file, you have to copy and paste it down inside that. Okay, done. And we have to designing that with class of that is container fluid. Okay, next we have to designing like navbar. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so in that way, and for navbar we are designing by using nav like tech. Okay, in the nav tech we require a classes, bootstrap classes. Okay, it's like navbar. Wait, I will navbar. Okay, and next one is navbar expand. Navbar, wait, navbar and navbar expand. Navbar expand large, we have to given that one large. Okay, and never never dark or expand is there, collapse is there, we require dark. Okay, and next thing is require, I have given that color of the all this thing. It's like warning and success. Okay, success, I will give the success, the color of that. Next we have to designing in the div. Okay, let's see. This div, and in that we need classes is container fluid for like responsive purpose. Okay, it's container fluid. Okay, then inside that we are creating a anchor. Okay, inside we are creating an anchor. That's anchor. Okay, then we have to given that class name is neighbor brand. Class name is neighbor brand. Never, wait. What is neighbor brand? I will show you on that like web browser. Okay, what is that? Neb brand. Done. So we are returning that never. Okay, done. Next we require a button for like when I like open the any mobile device. So when I click the button, it will be expand or like show me all this content whatever I written in that neb bar. Okay. So for that we need a button inside the container button. Okay, in the button we need classes. What is the class we require? It's navbar toggle, navbar toggle, navbar toggler. Okay, then what is the type of that button? It's like type is button, menu or reset or submit, whatever you have to mention in that. Next is data bs toggle. What need to be toggle it? Data bs toggle toggle. It's like what need to be toggle. It's collapse. When I click that one, it's collapse. Collapse means it open all these things. Okay, and we need a data bs target. When I click that button, it will be target particular like div or like any of the tag you have to mention below of that. Okay, we require data bs target target. Okay, next we have to give the id like which div we need to be like collapse. We have to mention in that. Okay, so next in that we need a span. Okay, so I will like require the icon inside that. So in the button I need a icon. Okay, by using span we are given the icon is class is like collapse, name is that navbar toggler icon is there. Navbar, wait, navbar toggler tog TOO toggler icon. Okay, done. So we are designing. Next we have to go. What is that? We are designing container flow inside that neighbor brand and toggler button is created. Okay. So next we have to create another div. Okay. So another div we have to create inside button. Okay. Div div and inside we need like collapse and neighbor collapse classes require means when I click that button it will be collapse. So which one div is collapse? This div will be collapse. In that div I have to return all this neighbor and whatever we need in that neighbor like home, contact or register or login. Okay, all these things we have to mention this. So collapse and we have neighbor collapse. Okay, done. So inside that we are mentioning UL. Okay, so UL need a classes for like neighbor nav and like margin or like any padding you can define on that. Okay, it's class neighbor nav. Okay, done. Inside the UL we have to defining li li. Okay, li is required like neighbor item. Classes is neighbor item. Class is neighbor item. Okay, it's not light neighbor item. Okay, inside the neighbor item we need a link. When I click that link it will goes to that. Okay, it's neighbor link. Class name is neighbor link. Okay, done. So if you want to mention the home you can. Okay, whatever you have to return the name home, contact and link whatever. Okay, I will copy like URL of part and I will paste it 3 times or 4 times and I will change that all these things contact contact and next thing is register and next thing is like login. Okay, done. If I require a drop down menu you can do that also. Okay. So next thing let's see what happened in that format. I will show you. Never created but we need to be like space required from that. So in that we have designing neighbor margin start second nothing. I think yeah. Margin left, margin right, margin s, margin left, margin end, margin end 2 I will do and I will copy that one and paste it down every li. Okay, let's see it happening or not. Then we have to designing, we are returning css. Yeah, it's happening but we need to designing all these things. Wait, I will do one thing is 3 or 4. I require it's 4. Copy that one and paste it down inside that li and li. Done. Okay, so let's see. It's yeah, it's designing, but we need to requiring any what is that text decoration none and all these things we need to be do that. Okay, so when I uh, click on the inspect and have you observed that it's like a icon is there. Okay, when I click that icon it will be show me all these like whatever list item is there. I want to show all these things. So I need a ID inside that. So that ID I will attach in that button. So it will be show all these things. Okay. Wait, I will attach that one. Yeah, I will do one things. I will create this one as ID. In that I have to create a poll. Poll is my ID. In that I have to return. If I return that one, it's COLE poll. Let's see. Refresh that one. You have that one. It's fine. If I need like content more than that, if I return text, wait. In that I have written text. mm, Danger or dark. I need light. Light, GST light. When I click that button, it not show me, but I need it. If I return inside that, let's see it happening or not. Text light. Yeah, it's required CSS. By using the CSS we can do that. Okay, the color and all these things we can change that one. It's home, contact and register login button is there. When I click that button, it will be uh, not collapse, but when I click that button it will be collapse. Okay, it's a collapse, and we are already do that one by accordion style collapse. But when I designing a navbar, so by this option you can designing also. Okay, have you observed that there is no icon is there inside when I open in laptop, but when I open in tab and mobile, it will be show me these things. Like according to your width it will be changed. Okay, I hope you understand these things. Any doubt regarding navbar, you can ask me. Okay. If you require any source bars inside that, so you can give after that like last part. You can do that. I think. I hope you know that all these things. Like how can you designing navbar and at the last. Okay. In the middle also you can do that. Okay. So if you require any color and you require only text without underline, you can do that by text decoration on. Okay, all these things you can do by using CSS bootstrap. Okay guys, so any doubt regarding all these things or regarding HTML, CSS, bootstrap and JavaScript, you can ask me that time. Okay, you have 3 minutes left. Please ask me any doubt. These 45 days, whatever you need, like any doubt, you can ask me. You have any project related query, then you can ask me. Guys, can you hear me? Hello. Okay. So I think no doubt in your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript bootstrap, you have no doubt, right? Okay, great. So this is the last class. Thank you so much for your patience and in the 45 days, and like our team will be doing well in that 45 days. If I go to the like two people are being on that Quizo fest, is like one is Kedashwar and one is Sarath is there, I think. So it's a grateful momentum in that time also, and we are like our team member, two team member is there in my team. It's like Anand and Sriza will be in the team marathon participate on that, and we are achieving 4,000 revenue. Okay, but we're not achieving 5,000, we are achieving 4,000. But it's like a happy to me, like our team will be do all these things. If I give 1 day or 2 day more, then I will definitely achieve all these target. But our team is doing well in the 45 days. I'm proud of you and my team. Okay, So best of luck your future, and you have to go to the any of the professional career and corporate career. And if I meet again in that any of the platform like in the corporate, so I definitely ask your name, and I will remember your name, all these things. I know that all these name, whoever attend all these section in my 45 days, I will remember all this name. And it is my first training session. Before that, I will teach all this 1 to 10 CBSE and ICSE in my career, like study career. And when I doing BSc, in that time I will doing all these classes of 1 to 10 of English medium. But before that, I don't have any team. But it's my first experience, spent 45 days with you guys. And my team also, I will proud of that. My team is doing well. And who are attend all these sessions 45 days, they will some I hope you achieve something and you have to learn something. If I have any the fault with me, like with you, and I will doing any wrong, give you wrong information, you have to, I know one thing is, you know that one, I learn from you also guys, something some Kedareshwar and Chanakeshwar, Vijayalakshmi, all these things are other guys are also teach me, this one is wrong sir, you have to change that one. All these things I will expense lot from that. Okay, so best of luck for your future, and you have to complete your study and go to the corporate, and doing well in that future. Okay, thank you so much guys. One thing is, you have to remember always, every corporate, if you you need to be any senior, you have to always in the phase of the senior, then you have to go the upward, like a team leader and manager, whatever you need, you have to go. And always in India, not world is also require leadership and all these things, communication skill, all these things require. But you have to you know all these things, because many people are from AP and Hyderabad, I know that. So you have already in communication skill is there, but you have to require leadership skill, and all is you have to talk with any team member, and you have to work as a team always. And one thing is that in life we are facing many problem and many tasks we have, but never give up with any particular problem, because we are in the tech field. You know that in the tech field we are facing a lot of problem in the day life. In that 1 second, with in our life 24 hours, we are facing 24,000 or 24, maybe 24 error in our programming. So it's we need to be patient, and be motivated from field, because we are in the tech field. It's a technical field where we are doing coding. So it's a we always demotivate, not demotivated, just motivated always, and you have to be patient, and we have to rectify the error that's required for web development. And whoever in the technical field or from the computer science, it need to be most it's the patience. And and in not life, you have to face problem in every second of your life in technical field, whatever I face from my 1 year journey. Okay guys, thank you so much, have a good day, bye. Thank you, Vijayalakshmi. Thank you, Anand. Thank you, Soumya. Thank you, Kedareshwar. Vijayalakshmi. Thank you, Chanakesham. Thank you, Kedareshwar. Thank you, Rasmita. Thank you, all of you guys. Don't leave the group. Okay, guys. Please, in the group, ma'am let you know if you want to extend the internship. Then ma'am will be told you if anyone want to extend your internship. That means the ma'am will be ask you anyone in the required to need to be extend the internship. Please message on that. If you want, then you have to return that yes. If you don't want, you have to return no. Okay. Then after that PPT, you get that. Thank you for improving my teach me better. Yeah, Sarath. Thank you so much. Sarath, always you have to need to be motivated. Don't demotivated in your life. Okay, you will be go forward always. Do not backward. Okay. Yeah, you have do not do any mistake, Anand. You have to do great things, you know that. Anand and Srija is doing well. We are create a 4,000 revenue from that. It's a great things for me and my team. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Be in the group, don't leave the group. Okay, after the PPT we will get the certificate, all these things. We'll meet the future in the nature groups. Yeah, sure, Kedar, sure. You are in the IAP or Hyderabad, I think. So I will in the Hyderabad. Okay, I always in that Amirpet or Begumpet, whatever I living in that. When I will, whenever we come to the any of the like Hyderabad, let me call. I will meet you on that. Okay, you have my number also. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Bye.